Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Girl Guitar. We have a very cool song here from Sueco. It's called Happiest, so it fits guitar very, very well. And let's go into this one without any capo here. We are going clean, and we use 5 different chords for the song. So let's go into the chords like we usually do, starting with G. So that will be 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next chord is the B minor. So that's a bar chord. You play the index finger on the 2nd fret and cover all strings except from the last E string in the bass. So 5 strings, and then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. We have D as the next chord, and that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. F sharp minor, another bar chord, index finger on the 2nd fret still, but this time you need to cover all strings there. And then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. And the final chord will be the A. Okay, so that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Okay, so we need to learn the strumming now, and you have to listen very carefully because I'm going to do this one time, and then we have to just apply different chords to this strumming. So this strumming will cover 4 chords. So this song is built up of 4 chords that switches up, but one row, so to speak, will be 4 chords. And I'm gonna just mention chord 1, chord 2, chord 3, chord 4, and you just have to use the strumming I'm gonna teach you right now. So for the first chord, in this case, the first row, we'll use that as an example. That will be the G, okay? So you're gonna play just down, down. That is for the first chord. Okay? And then the next chord, in this case, the B minor, you will have to play up, up, down, down. Okay, that's it. Then for the third chord, in this case, the D, you'll play that in the same way as the second one. So up, up, down, down. And that's it. And for the fourth chord, in this case, the F sharp minor, you will play up, up, down, 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 up. So you start in the same way as chord 2 or chord 3 with the up, up, down, down, but you end with down, up. And that will cover 1 row, so to speak, in this song. So just a short repetition. First chord, down, down, and then second, up, up, down, down, and then third, up, up, down, down, and fourth, up, up, down, 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 up. And now I'm just gonna go through the entire song because these chords, we don't have any pattern, so the first verse is not in the same as the second verse and so on, so we really have to go through the full song here to get everything covered. So, the first verse, G, B minor, D, and F sharp, like this. And then you're gonna play G, B minor, A, and A. So. And that is the first verse, all right? Then we come into the pre-chorus. You're gonna play G, B minor, D, D. So. The ending of pre-chorus will be G, B minor, and this is where it differs a little bit. You're gonna hammer on the F sharp minor 8 downs, and these 8 downs, they cover chord 3 and 4, so that will be G, then B minor, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the F sharp minor. That covers chord 3 and 4. Okay. That is the pre-chorus, and now into the first chorus. You're gonna play G, B minor, D, and F sharp minor. you're gonna play G, B minor, A, A. All of this you're gonna play for 2 rounds. So the second round will be that is the first chorus. Then we have an instrumental part. You have to play G, B minor, D, and F sharp minor. Only for this one round. Then into the second verse and second round of everything. Like I said, it completely changes when it comes to chord progression and so on. So from now on, I'm just gonna mention the chords till the very end of the song. So you're gonna play from second verse, G, B minor, A, then G, B minor, D, and the F sharp minor. Okay, that is the second verse. Then pre-chorus, G, B minor, A, then G, B minor, and the hammering on the F sharp minor, 8 downs. Okay, so that's the second pre-chorus. And then the second chorus is played in exact same way as the first chorus. So that is the only part that's played as a repetition of something that we've already learned. So the choruses are played in the same way. Then after the second chorus, we have an outro part, and it's about 4 rows. So we have G, B minor, D, F sharp minor, then G, B minor, A, then G, B minor, D, F sharp minor, and the final will be G, B minor, A. And that's it. It just ends after this third chord in the last 4th round. So that is how you handle Sueco Happiest. I hope you could follow there the second half of this tutorial to just play this strumming, and that works throughout the song. So hope you enjoyed it, guys. And if you did, feel free to support me here on Gordon Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.